So welcome to our Renault van 2025 plate. Here I'm going to show you a few of our things that we have in our kitted out van. So what we have is our compressor reader here. Especially the emergency stop, so anything goes, we can press it. This is what builds up and shows our compressor numbers. Here's our tyre machine where we do all our tyre replacement and fitting. And we've got our extra arms that we use to get any sort of tight tyres off. That's what we use. We also have our bead brake at the side as well to break the beads. Bead protector at the side as well, so any sort of splashbacks that's caught on the side. Here we've got our air jacks to get our vehicles up, so that works off our compressor. The bigger one is for more of our bigger vehicles, and we also have a smaller one that's more for our normal day-to-day vehicles. Also, we have our balancing machine here, which is quite nice for getting the balancing done. Got loads of space as well, so we have big wheels that we can get on here and get the job done. Favourite bit of the kit of the van, it has to be the air jacks. Air jacks is so much easier. Press and go, green to go, red to go down. It's easy to carry, easy to move around, especially being someone that has to jump in and out of the vans. Being a heavy jack to do that, it's not going to be good for our backs, so these are nice and easy. Keeps our back nice and fit. I keep pride in keeping the van clean because it's nice for the customers to see a clean van, making sure that they know I'm going to look after their vehicle.